UPS, a guide to exercise and its benefits. Weighted sit-ups are an advanced abdominal exercise that incorporates the use of weights to enhance the effectiveness of your core workout. This exercise is an excellent way to shape, tighten, and strengthen your abdominal muscles, with a particular focus on the coveted six-pack area. In this article, we'll delve into the details of how to perform weighted sit-ups and the many benefits they offer. How to perform weighted sit-UPS. Performing weighted sit-ups requires some additional equipment, such as a dumbbell, weight plate, or a medicine ball. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to execute this exercise. Equipment needed: a dumbbell, weight plate, or medicine ball. Procedure: start by lying on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor, and your lower back pressed into the ground. You can anchor your feet under something stable or have a partner hold them. Hold the weight of your choice close to your chest with both hands, or you can choose to position it behind your head for an added challenge. Engage your core muscles as you lift your upper body off the ground and sit up while holding the weight. Keep your back straight and maintain good posture throughout the movement. Exhale as you reach the upright position, then slowly lower your torso back to the ground with control. This completes one repetition. Aim to perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, gradually increasing the weight as you progress. Benefits of weighted sit-UPS. Enhanced core strength. Weighted sit-ups target the entire core, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis. This leads to increased core strength, stability, and endurance. Six-pack development. The added resistance intensifies the workout, promoting the development and definition of the coveted six-pack muscles. Improved posture. Strengthening your core with weighted sit-ups can lead to improved posture by providing greater support to the spine and reducing the risk of lower back pain. Versatility. Weighted sit-ups can be adapted to various fitness levels by adjusting the weight and the number of repetitions. This makes them suitable for both beginners and experienced exercisers. Calorie burn. Like all abdominal exercises, weighted sit-ups contribute to burning calories, aiding in weight management and fat loss when combined with a balanced diet and regular cardiovascular exercise. Functional strength. A strong core is essential for everyday activities, such as lifting objects, maintaining balance, and preventing injuries. Weighted sit-ups help improve functional strength. Incorporate weighted sit-ups into your fitness routine to elevate your core training and unlock the benefits of a stronger, more defined midsection. Remember to start with an appropriate weight and gradually increase the intensity as your strength improves. Always consult a fitness professional or healthcare provider if you have any concerns or medical conditions before beginning any new exercise regimen.